The IGCSE English as a second language speaking section can be a breeze with the right preparation. First, practice speaking regularly with friends or family. It builds confidence and fluency. Record yourself to identify areas for improvement. Focus on clear pronunciation and varied vocabulary. This impresses examiners. Use role play to simulate the exam environment. It helps you get comfortable with the format. Aim for a study timetable that includes daily speaking practice, vocabulary review, and mock exams. For example, dedicate 30 minutes each day to speaking and 15 minutes to listening exercises. Remember, it's not just about what you say, but how you say it. Engage with your examiner by maintaining eye contact and showing enthusiasm. With consistent practice and a positive mindset, you'll be well on your way to achieving a great score.